How to perform static analysis on a Python script. Performing static analysis on a Python script involves using specialized tools and techniques to examine the code without executing it. Here are general steps to follow. Step 1. Choose a static analysis tool. There are several static analysis tools available for Python such as Pylint, Flake 8, Pyflakes, and Bandit. Each tool has its own strengths and weaknesses, so choose one that suits your need. Second step to install the tool. Once you have selected a tool, install it on your system. You can install it using pip, a package manager for Python. Third step, run the tool. Run the tool against your Python script. The tool will scan the code for potential issues such as syntax error, unused variable, undefined function, and security vulnerabilities. Fourth step, analyze the result. Once the tool has finished scanning the code, it will generate a report with a list of issues found in the code. Review the report carefully and fix any issues that are identified. Fifth, configure the tool. Many static analysis tools allow you to configure them to suit your specific needs. For example, you can configure Pylint to ignore specific issues or change its severity level for certain issues. Step 6. Integrate with your development workflow. You can integrate static analysis tool into your development workflow to catch potential issues early in the development process. For example, you can configure the tool to run automatically when you commit the code to your repository as a part of your continuous integration pipeline.